So I'm going to show you how to mute the microphone on your Nothing Headphones 1. Now for this one, you're going to have to customize one of the controls. So in the Nothing X app, just go to your Nothing Headphone 1 and then either tap on the headphones or you can scroll down and find controls. So you can tap on that. So we're going to customize one of the controls to set it to mute our microphone. Okay, so you can either choose the single press or the press and hold. Now, the single press is normally set to your assistant by default. But for me, I changed that to press and hold. So you can see my press and hold now is set to my default voice assistant. So now single press does nothing. So I can tap on that and then set it to be my mic mute button. Now, once I set it up like that, then I'm good to go. So now whenever I'm using my headphones and I want to temporarily mute the microphone, all I have to do is press that button. My microphone gets muted and I can press it again to unmute that microphone. Okay, so that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.